Hey there! Chemistry isn't just something you learn in the classroom. It's all around us in our daily lives. From the food we eat to the products we use, chemistry plays a vital role. In this video, I'll share some cool DIY chemistry projects you can do right at home to see this amazing science in action. Let's start with something fun and fizzy. Bath bombs. The key ingredients are baking soda and citric acid. When mixed with water, the acid-base reaction releases carbon dioxide, creating all those awesome bubbles. Here's what you'll need. Want to write secret messages? This invisible ink lets you do just that using chemistry. Mix equal parts baking soda and water, then use a cotton bud to write. The writing will be invisible until you apply heat or a cabbage juice indicator to reveal it. Here's a crazy one. You can actually make plastic out of milk. The process uses the milk protein casein combined with vinegar. As the acid hits the protein, it reorganizes into this cooled, plastic-like material. Let's go through the steps. We're ending with a classic, elephant toothpaste. When you mix dish soap, hydrogen peroxide, and dry yeast, the yeast releases oxygen that forces all that foam up and out like a volcanic eruption. It's a safe but extremely vigorous reaction. Those are just a few examples of DIY chemistry projects you can do at home using common household items. Not only are they fun, but they teach important concepts like catalysts, acid-base reactions, and polymerization. Get creative and try making your own chemical concoctions. It's amazing what you can whip up.